Hello everyone, it's almost Mother's Day, so today we're going to be making a handprint tile for you to give to your mummy as a present. To make this tile you will need flour, salt, water, acrylic paint, fridge magnet letters, a rolling pin, some baking paper and some scissors. Let's mini make! So I'm going to put a cup of flour, half a cup of salt and half a cup of water into my mixing bowl and then get my hands nice and dirty. Oh, there we go. So just mix this around, and if you feel like it's too sticky, just add a little bit more flour, and if you feel like it's not sticking together enough, then just add a little bit more water. When you can start to be able to round it in a ball, just give it a few more squishes, just so that it's nice and soft and smooth as well. You don't want any big lumps of flour or salt. Okay, the rest of the dough off my hands. There we go, that's looking nice. If you take a bit of baking paper, pop your dough on top of it, and then get a rolling pin. You might want to pop a little bit of flour on the rolling pin just to make sure the dough doesn't stick. And then roll it out. Ooh, nice and squishy. And you want to make it so that it's wide enough to fit your handprint and your name in, but you don't want to make it too thin because otherwise it won't hold together when you bake it. Let's roll it out. Get the corners rolled out there. Okay, so that's looking good now. And then push down on top of it to make sure I get all my fingers and my thumb nicely imprinted, and then carefully lift it out. There we go. See my lovely handprint there. And then I'm going to take the letters of my name with the fridge magnets. I'm just going to lay them on top for now to get them in the right place. There we go. Little dot for the eye. There we go, lovely. It doesn't have to be straight, you can put them any way you want. So there it is, my name, Katie. So just push them down very gently and then carefully pull them out. Oh, lovely. Ah, come on. There we go. Ta. Here with a little dot. And ah. There we go, that's looking really nice. And then this is quite smooth around the edges, but if you find your edges aren't smooth, you can just smooth them with your fingers or use scissors or a knife to cut the edges down. Make sure you get help if you decide to do that though. But this one's a nice round circle, so I'll just leave it as it is. And then you can pop it in the oven at 120 degrees until it's firm and dry, but obviously you need to get a grown-up to help you with that. Or you can leave it to air dry for a few days. And once it comes out of the oven, it'll look something like this. And then it's ready to paint. So I've chosen orange and red paint for mine because they're my mum's favourite colours. And you can just start painting straight away. These are acrylic paints, and you need to use those because they're the only ones that will paint on dough like this, on salt dough, and they also dry nice and shiny. Let's cover this. So I'm just filling in where I can see my handprint. Here's my thumb. pleased with that. I think the hand's looking lovely, so I'm going to paint the letters now. And you could use the letters of your name, or if you wanted to put a little message in it, you could do that. Whatever you want. Paint the car. Doing that very carefully and slowly. Really nice, so I'm going to leave that to dry, and then once the paint's dry I'll wrap it up and give it to my mum on Mother's Day. Now it's your turn to have a go at making this handprint tile to give to your mummy. Make sure you spoil her and give her a big kiss on Mother's Day. If you've enjoyed creating this mini make with me, tap here to watch the next episode straight away. There's also lots more exciting learning videos on our Toddler Fun Learning app. Tap here to download it to watch videos on the move. See you soon, bye!